Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a 2-piece luggage set. If you can see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and if you guys remember in the past I actually reviewed a few other ones from this brand before, so you definitely will know that they do have high quality luggages. But for this one in particular, if you can see we do have a carry-on size and we do have a check-in bag as well. For the big one that we do have right here is 28 inch. Whereas for the small one right here, it should be 20 inch. So for this small one, you should be able to bring it onto a plane when you guys do use it. But first, I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys first open up, and you see how the inside does have protection on there. But if you guys do take it out, inside right there, you see we do have the actual luggage. So let's take it out first. So once you guys take it out, if you see this is basically what the product looks like. So when you do get the product, it does come wrapped up in this bag. But let's take out the bag first. So once you guys take out the bag, here is basically what the product looks like. So pretty much for the first one right here, it is the 28 inch like I mentioned. And if you guys can see in the bottom right here, we do have the roller wheels. So that way you guys can roll it really easily. So it is like a 360 rotatable wheel. So if you guys do rotate it, you can see how smoothly it does roll. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely does feel like a high quality material. But you see the front part here, they do provide guys some of the specs and features that's on the bag. And they mentioned for this bag, when you guys do the 28 inch, it's probably enough room for you guys to put stuff for 7 to 9 days. But here is basically what the product looks like in the front. Here is this side right here. Here is the back. And then here is the other side. And if you guys rotate it this way, we do have a handle option on top right here and also right here as well. So this handle allows you guys to carry it. Same thing for right here. Where for this option right here, you do have the option extended. So that way you guys can pull it and roll it around when you guys do use it. And I will show you guys what I mean in a second. But if you guys notice on this side right here, they do have this material on the side. So that way if you guys want to put it down this way, you do have the option available. And then right here you can see this is basically what the bottom part of the wheel looks like. So it's basically rotatable and it's really quiet when you guys do use it. And then this side right here, you can see we do have the handle option like I mentioned. But right here you can see we do have a TSA lock. So it is a 3-combo lock. But they do have the key option right here for the TSA to open it if they do need to. And then right here we do have the button for us to push it. So if I do push this button right here, it should open up. And that is only if you guys do put in the right combo. So when you guys bring it up close, here is basically what the product looks like. And you see right next to the actual combo or the numbers right here, they do have a little button for us to push. So once you guys push that button, it will allow you guys to reset the number. Let me show you guys what I mean. So once you guys push it in, you basically want to change the combo to what you guys want. So let's say I want to change to 888. If you guys push this button, it basically pops that up, and that is basically a new combination. So I change it back to all 0. If I try to open again, it won't work because the new combination, like I mentioned, is all 8. So if I do change it back to 8, let me see it does work. So that is basically how you guys use this luggage. Same thing applies to the other one that's inside, which is carry-on size. So I'm actually open this zipper and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, you can see inside we do have the other suitcase. And for this suitcase, like I mentioned, it is a 20 inch, which is carry-on size. But the way how to design this one is slightly different. So I'm gonna put this here for 1 second first because I want to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So here is a top layer inside. And you do have the option to open up the zipper if you guys do want to. So that way you can hide stuff inside. But basically for this part right here, you do have a large capacity to put a lot of stuff if you guys do want to. And right here, we do have the zipper option for you to zip it up. So just like this. So once you guys zip it up, you can see right here is a more compartment. So you do have this compartment right here to put a lot of stuff inside right here if you guys do want to. And then right here, we do have another compartment. And for this compartment, it's like a mesh pocket. So that way you can see what's inside. And inside right here, they do provide guys an instruction card to teach you guys how to use the TSA lock, which I will show you guys how to do it. So that is basically what's on right here. In the bottom compartment right here, you can see we do have a small little pocket as well. So you guys to put stuff inside right here if you guys do want to. And if you guys bring this part up, here is basically what the other side looks like. So for this side, you do have a lot of space to put a lot of stuff if you guys do want to. But the cool thing about this side is the fact that they do give you guys a strap option. So that way when you guys do put your clothes inside right here or whatever you guys want to put inside, you guys can strap it together to keep it all organized. And for this strap right here, you do have the option to actually make it tighter or looser based on your own preference. And for the middle compartment right here, you do have the option to open that up if you guys do want to as well. But here's basically what the inside looks like for the 28 inch option. Now I'm going to show you guys the small carry-on option. So right here, you see we do have the carry-on side, which is much smaller if you guys compare it to this one. But let's take out the bag first. All right. So once you guys take out the bag, here is basically what the product looks like. So same thing for this one, they do have the same material that's on here. So it is lightweight, it is durable. It also has 4 wheels for you guys to rotate it if you guys do want to. Or you can also move it forward and backward really easily. Same thing for the big one. And for this one in particular, allow you guys to use it for around like 1 to 4 days in terms of how much stuff you actually put inside. And if you guys notice for the one that we got right here, it's like a blue color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But here is basically what the back looks like in the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and here is the other side. So for this one, if you guys notice, it doesn't have the same option on this side where you can put it down like this. But that doesn't mean that you guys can't put it down in that same direction if you guys do want to. You definitely can if you guys do need to. Bottom part right here is basically what the wheel looks like. And then for top part right here, if you see, we do have a similar design. So right here, we do have a handle option. And then right here, we do have the lever option for you guys to open up. And it does go pretty far. And I will show you guys how to use that in a second. Right here, if you see, we do have 2 different lock options. One for this part and one for the front. And they do have the button for you guys to open each one separately. And then right here, you can see we do have the option for you to change the different combination on here. And for this one, they also do have the TSA lock option, so that way you can use the key to open it if they do need to. And I'm assuming for the bottom part right here where my finger is, that is basically where you guys want to press to activate like the lock option if you guys need to change the combination. So let's try to open it to show you guys how it works. So let's push it this way. That will unlock that part. If you guys push it this way, that will unlock the bottom. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to change the combination, you basically want to push this part right here. And once you guys push it, you guys change the combination. If you guys push this part back, if you guys change it back to 0. If you see it doesn't work anymore because we changed the combination to all 8. So if you guys turn it back to 8. If you see it does work. So that is basically how you guys change the combination on here. So now I should open the inside to show you guys what it actually looks like inside. So I'll probably start with the front part right here first. So once you guys open the front part, here is basically what the front part looks like. So you can see the front part right here, we do have a lot of different compartments on this side. So you do have the compartment for you guys to put like your laptop, your iPad, or anything else inside right here if you guys do want to. And I love the fact how they do give you guys the strap option for you guys to tighten up if you guys do need to. And if you guys can see on the side right here, they do have the option for you guys to actually strap it together. So that way you can hold it in place. But if you guys do open it up, same thing for this side. You do have the option to fully let it open up all the way. And they do have the little logo or symbol right here to let you guys know what to put on here. So one for laptop and one for tablet. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, they do have the padding on here to protect your product. And if you guys open this part right here, they do have a pretty deep pocket compartment for you to hide stuff inside right there if you guys do want to. And then for other side right here, if you see, we do have a lot of different compartments as well. So the front part right here, we do have a mesh pocket compartment. So that way you can put stuff inside right here that's see-through. Right here, we do have another compartment. So that way you can put like your wallet or something if you guys do want to. And then for this side right here, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 small compartments for you to put small stuff if you guys do need to. And assuming right here, you do have a slot for you to put a pencil or pen if you guys do need to as well. But here is basically what the first compartment looks like in the front. Very cool and very simple design. So that way you guys can fully open it or you can open halfway. Now let's fix this part back up and then open up the next compartment. All right, so let's open the next compartment. Here is basically what the inside looks like for the second compartment. So they do have a very similar design as the one that we see right here. And they do probably got a strap option just like the one I saw right here. Whereas for the other side right here, we do have 1 compartment and 2 compartments, which is very similar to the other one as well. The one right here is basically a mesh pocket, whereas for this one's like a covered pocket. And it is pretty spacious where you put a lot of stuff if you guys do need to. And same thing for this one inside, they do provide a little card to teach you guys how to use the TSA lock as well. But once you guys open right here, here is basically what the inside looks like. So for this one, it's actually very spacious. We put a lot of stuff if you guys do want to as well. And same thing for this one. And for the bottom part as well, they do have a little zipper for you guys to open up and hide stuff underneath it if you guys do need to. But that is basically what the inside looks like for the small carry-on option. So if you guys close it back up, here is basically what the product looks like side by side. Now let's put this down on the ground to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do put it on the ground. If you guys do pull up the handle option, here is basically what the small one looks like. If you guys pull up the big one, that is basically how far the handle can go for the actual big one. So when you guys put it side by side, you can definitely see the difference that's on here. So really cool how they do provide you guys an option for a small one and big one. So that way you can use one for a small trip and the other one for a longer trip. So when you guys do use it, you don't even need to actually bend it to go like that. Instead, you can just hold like this. And just move it around so easy. Same thing for the big one. So that actually makes it a lot easier when you guys are actually traveling, which is pretty cool. And also, if you guys notice, when you guys do roll the actual wheels on here, it's actually very quiet. So it does have silent wheels on here, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this set, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality luggage set that basically give you guys a small carry-on option and a large check bag that has like a similar design that's on here. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.